Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikun. Welcome to e-learning classes provided by Sunrise Academy. Children, we are going to see today History Chapter 2. The lesson is the expansion of the British power in India. Children, British were the most powerful traders. They colonized the India and they ruled over India almost about 200 years. They came to India for the purpose of trading, but they became ruling power. So we are going to see in these lessons how they expanded their trading in India and how they colonized and how long they ruled over the India. The first topic we will talk about mercantilism. What the meaning of mercantilism? It is a theory of economical trade for wealth. It became popular in Western Europe between 1600 to 1800 in Western Europe. The traders had a monopoly that they can have more benefits in the business, in the trading. That is why these traders, they went all over the world for their business, for their trading, and they had a huge benefits. Earlier, they were trading in the Western Europe and some of the East Indian subcontinent. But after the fall of Constantinople, it is the largest city and former capital of Turkey. Turkey's Ottoman Empire blocked overseas land in the Indian subcontinent. Then they started looking market to the other countries. After the discovery of sea routes by the explorers, the Europeans reached Asia and Africa. In the war of trading, the countries were mostly the France, England, Holland, Denmark and Portugal. Now we'll see about the trade wars. In the trade wars leading to countries that were involved in the trade wars include Portugal, Holland, France, England and Denmark. These powerful traders occupied most part of the East Indian countries in Asia and Africa. The powerful traders were Portuguese, British, Dutch, French. Among them, those who were more powerful, they stayed in India and others fled away. In this, the British, the English were most powerful traders, so they were able to occupy Indian subcontinent and they colonized the states, and later on they became ruling power over India. And then after they ruled over India almost about 200 years. As you know that our country got independence in 1947. After that we became free from the control of British. So children, this is our first lecture, and we have only one or two topics. The next lecture will have next day. Till then, whatever I taught you, please have some homework and please do it. So children, this is the homework. First, who had blocked overland trade to Indian subcontinent? Second, name the country who were involved in the trade wars. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe it and share it. Thank you.